Hi everyone, I'm Edward Jackson and today I'd like to talk to you about an amazing product that changed my life, the ground power generator. I've always been a man concerned about the environment and I've always wanted to find a way to generate clean and renewable energy. That's when I found the ground power generator, a ground generator that can be assembled anywhere, anytime, by anyone. The first question everyone must be asking is, does ground power generator work? I can say with certainty that yes, it works and very well. Since I bought mine, I've never had problems with power outages at home. It's a reliable and efficient product. But not only does it work, ground power generator is good and worth investing in. Unlike solar panels that can be affected by natural phenomena, such as hurricanes and strong winds, the ground generator is safe and reliable in any situation. Ground power generator is for anyone who wants to have a source of clean and reliable energy. It doesn't matter if you live in a remote region or in a big city, the generator can be assembled anywhere, without needing an electricity expert. And for those wondering where to buy the ground power generator, I strongly recommend that you only purchase the product on the official website, which is available in the links in the description and the first pinned comment of the video. The original product is sold exclusively on this site. I'm a very happy man for having bought the ground power generator and for having the opportunity to generate clean and renewable energy in my home. I hope this testimony has been useful to you and that you too can enjoy this amazing product. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you already have a ground power generator or if you're interested in purchasing one. See you next time.